Hello friends, welcome to White Media. Today we are going to see 9th standard chapter 1 set language session 3 topic types of sets. This is a continuation video of session 2. Already we have seen 5 types of sets in session 2. If you didn't watch session 2, you can watch it using the given link in description box. Equal sets. Let us see the definition. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements. Otherwise, they are said to be unequal. For example, consider the sets A is equal to B, C, D, E, F and B is equal to E, F, D, C, B. Let us take the elements of set A and elements of set B. Now let us check it. The elements of set A and set B. In set A and set B, the element B is common. Next, the element C, it is common for A and B. Next, the element D, it is also common element of A and B. Next, E is also a common element. Next, F is also a common element of set A and set B. Since they contain exactly the same elements, therefore A and B are equal sets. Seventh one, universal set. A universal set is a set which contains all the elements of all the sets under consideration and is usually denoted by U. If we discuss about the elements in natural numbers, then the universal set U is the set of all natural numbers. U is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to n. Since 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are all the elements of n, let U is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If we consider a set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then all the elements of A exist in U. Therefore, the set U is a universal set. Second example, if we discuss about some districts in Tamil Nadu, then the universal set U is the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. Example 3, if A is equal to Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then the universal set U is the planets of the solar system. Eighth one, subset. Let us see the definition. Consider two sets A and B. If every element of A is also an element of B, then A is called a subset of B. We write A is contained in B. A is contained in B is read as A is a subset of B. Example 1. Consider two sets A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 11. Here B contains every element of A. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Let us see in the picture. There are 7 elements in the set B, in which 5 elements are common between A and B. N of A is equal to 5, N of B is equal to 7. Clearly, A is a subset of B, then N of A is less than or equal to N of B. Example 2, Consider two sets A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Let us take all the elements of set A and set B. In set A there are 5 elements. In set B there are 6 elements. Let us check the elements of set A and set B. The number 1 is a common element of set A and set B. Then 2 is a common element. Then 4 is a common element. Then the elements 3 and 5 are not in the set B. Here B does not contain every element of A. Therefore A is not a subset of B. Example 3. Consider two sets A is equal to A, C, D, E, F, G and B is equal to D, C, F, A, G, E. Let us take all the elements of set A and set B. Now we are going to check all the elements of set A are in B or not. The element A is in both A and B. Next, the element C are also in both A and B. Next, the element D are also in both the sets A and B. Next, E is also a common element. Next, F is also a common element. And then last one, G is also a common element of A and B. Here B contains every element of A. Therefore A is a subset of B. If you like this video, give a like and comment about the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.